Welcome to our guide on digital decluttering. In this video, we'll delve into effective strategies for organizing your smartphone apps, photos, and files. Let's start. First, let's fix the app situation. Begin by navigating to your device's settings, find the apps category, and open the list of all installed applications. Now go through all apps one by one and uninstall apps that you no longer need or use. Next, open your home screen and begin organizing apps there. Create desktop folders and categorize apps using them. For example, create a folder for apps you need for work, another one for games, and a third folder to store entertainment apps like YouTube, Spotify, and Netflix. Feel free to organize apps, folders, and categories as you see fit. Now, let's have a look at your smartphone storage. Some smartphones have built-in storage manager, so launch and apply it. The universal method is to download the Google Files app and use it to get rid of cache, trash, temporary, and other unnecessary files. You can also delete duplicates. Third decluttering step involves tidying up your gallery, photos, and videos. Open your respective gallery app and look through its media collection. Delete photos, videos you no longer need, and erase accidental or no longer of use screenshots. Make sure to clear hundreds of accidental alarm screenshots. To finish this video, let me share a few quick tips to declutter your smartphone even further. Clear your messaging app, notes app, and emailing app as well. The logic here is the same as previously in the video. Look through what you have and delete elements you no longer need. And if your preferred app provides organizing features, use them also. So that would conclude this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.